Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we got this different type of hairstyle. Y'all know I always come with the middles and the side parts. Okay, today I did two buns with these two little curly bangs and curly in the back. I just defined it really nice. First of all, you already know that I was really feeling this hairstyle because A, it was affordable. This wig was affordable. I got it from Amazon. It's Supernova hair. And B, literally, you could tell I was feeling it because I'm talking my hands. Anytime I start talking my hands, you already know I'm in my bag. Like, I'm in my bag the moment that I start picking up my hands every 10 seconds. Get into this tutorial. I'll catch y'all later in the video. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you guys so much for tuning back in to another video. So today is gonna be a quick install. We are installing this wig from Amazon. The company is Supernova Hair. They had sent me a, I'm gonna look up the details and just have them right over here. And I'm gonna leave the link to this wig down in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing this wig. I'm going to spray my skin with skin protectant. This is from Magnet. This is their skin hair system glue for men, but whatever. It's a skin protectant spray. It says that it's used for man weave, frontal wig, toupee, skin and scalp protection, improving adhesion, reducing irritation, quick drying, and it smells great. So the glue I'm going to be using today is It Don't Move Extreme Hold by Crystal LaShawn. I found out about her brand from TikTok, and this glue smells like strawberries. It's waterproof, it's sweat proof, and the hold is different. Like, the thing that makes this lace hold really good is that after you finish applying your lace on top, you have to press it in with your hands. You have to take your hands and squeeze and press it in for about 30 seconds or more, and that literally makes your lace like really bond to it. I've used this same glue on my clients before, and they said when I was using it, they could feel the difference between this and me using this glue on them. When I was using this glue on my clients, they was like, oh, we could feel it. But I never really had that same reaction when I was using the Eben. So I'll keep the Eben to myself and then use the other one on my clients. Now I'm gonna take a popsicle stick and then spread this out through, thoroughly and make it very thin. I'm going to do 3 layers of this glue. With this glue, you have to hold yourself in a chokehold. You guys go watch her videos. I'm gonna link her TikTok in my description box. Y'all gotta go check out her TikTok. According to her tutorials, you have to put the girl, and nobody's safe from the chokehold, not even herself, when she does her own install videos. So I'm not safe from a chokehold when I'm using her product, because I want my results to be just like hers. So you put yourself in a chokehold for about 30 seconds. You really gotta press, and you can literally feel it. Like, you can feel the suction. When you lift your hands away, you can feel how bonded it is. I'm just gonna hold it for about 20-30 seconds. Nice. Area that goes on natural. Keep coming back. And this area right here. This has no hair. So I'm just gonna hold it there because I know this one has way more hair, so I'm gonna have to try and get this one to actually look like this before I tie that one down. So you just open up all the hair and get even enough, and then start twirling and wrapping the hair. Twirling and wrapping, that's all there is to it, nothing more, nothing less. Just twirl and wrap. So that wraps up this video. This was a two bun two buns on a curly bob install. Plus I had showed you guys this new glue that I've been using. It's called It Don't Move by Crystal LaShawn. I'm gonna make sure that I link her TikTok below. I have found this hairstyle out by somebody else on YouTube. Apparently it's inspired by Ari Fletcher. I just didn't do the zigzag part to really get it how she had it, but it is what it is. I'll do another video and probably do that anyways. This wig I have bought from Amazon. This is another Amazon banger, and the company's name is Supernova. You guys can check them out because the link is going to be down below. And I would say this lace was really a 8 out of 10, only because you really have to know how to like manipulate the color. Like, this is not a transparent. I don't even think on the site it's posted as HD, but this is, I think, like a brown lace, so it's mostly gonna cater for girls that are like around my skin tone or a little bit lighter or darker than me, right? Then the shade I had used, you have to make sure you have the right concealer shade. You guys can, you know, rewind back in this video, but I'll just show it to you again. I used two different, honestly I used all three of these because I just know how to play around with colors and get the shade that I'm looking for depending on how the lace is performing. Because I don't really use lace tint spray. it just doesn't really appeal for me. I have more than enough products here, and concealer, this, you know, the Ruby Kisses works every time, so I just feel like I don't really need that. Only time I'm ever going to tint my lace is if I'm dealing with like blonde hair or colored hair. Like then I'll tint the lace, but other than that, not really. So I use the Ruby Kisses powder foundation. Basically I only use this because it's like when I do my makeup. When I do my makeup and I set my face, I use powder. So I use the powder foundation. I also use the cream in the shade 13 and 15. I use the dark shades in both. And that does the trick for me each and every time. Yeah, this style wasn't hard to do. I just feel like you have to get placement right. There's like a little demarcation here because of the tension I have in this wig. It kind of made a little ripple, but it's not heavily like it is noticeable, but it's not like, whoa, that whole hairstyle looks trippy, like you need to redo it. It don't look like that, you know, because if it did look like that, I would have redone it. Okay, but that about wraps it up. It's your girl Shay. I will be back with another video very soon, and please make sure that you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up so I know you like these types of content with installs, but not like my average installs with like a middle or a side. I'm trying to actually get into some styles now, you know, I'm trying to get into some styles. So if you like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and hit that notification bell so you guys know every time I post a new one. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.